from Karnataka, where the power seat tussle is now intensifying. It is all set to be a huddle-packed Saturday morning for Congress as both the top contenders for the Chief Minister's post. When we look at DK Shivkumar and Siddaramaiah, in a short while from now, will be breaking bread today as far as this crucial breakfast meeting that is now slated to happen between 9:30 a.m. So in half an hour from now, my colleague Pratibha is also connected with a lot of activity there behind her as we are expecting when it comes to the hectic parlays that has been taking place right from Bengaluru to the national capital. Pratibha, very good morning to you. Over to you for the live updates that we are tracking from Bengaluru this morning.
Good morning and namaskara to you, Amita, and all our viewers joining us. We're right outside the Chief Minister's official residence. This is the Krishna residence right behind me. And in just a few moments from now, we're expecting DK Shivkumar, the Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister, to arrive here. It's a very, very significant day because the two leaders who have been openly taking pot shots at each other on social media out there for the entire world to see are finally going to see eye to eye, are going to hold this meeting. The bigger question is, what is this meeting all about? Now, we're told from sources that it was the High Command that told the two leaders, meet up instead of taking social media digs, sit with each other, sort it out. But the differences that we're talking about are not the kind that can be sorted out over breakfast. It will need the intervention of the High Command. So the Congress party is looking at putting up a very united front to say that the two leaders are together. They're having breakfast together. Pictures also expected to come out from that meeting. DK Shivkumar expected to arrive shortly here. He stays in Sadashiv Nagar, which is about 10 minutes from here. So he's expected to start in just a few moments from now, after which he will be here at the Chief Minister's residence to get all the updates on what's happening, the word from the High Command. Because remember, even if the breakfast meeting is taking place here, the final decision, as the two leaders themselves have mentioned, will be taken in the national capital, will be taken in Delhi, will be taken by the High Command. Joining us from outside DK Shivkumar's residence is Neha Hebbale, tracking DK Shivkumar's movements. We also have my colleague Mohit Bhatt joining us on the broadcast, getting us the update from the BJP camp. Remember, the BJP has been saying that we will also move a no-confidence motion against the government. Shivam is also joining us on the broadcast. Remember, the final decision, like we said, is going to be taken in Delhi as the High Command will decide what next. Will DK Shivkumar actually become the Chief Minister, or will the status quo continue? Let's go across first to my colleague Neha Hebbale. Neha, all the action is really going to begin from Sadashiv Nagar, from DK Shivkumar's residence. Has he made an appearance before the media? When is he expected to leave from his residence?
Well, Pratibha, of course, outside the palatial bungalow of DK Shivkumar over here in Sadashiv Nagar is where all of the activity is going to be. The Deputy Chief Minister, of course, so far hasn't come out yet, but what we pick up is that, it is, of course, going to be about 9:30, 9:45 is when he's likely to be starting from his residence. Remember, of course, this particular house of the Deputy Chief Minister has been witness to a lot of ups and downs for him politically as well. We're seeing that even as he's all set to be heading for that breakfast meeting today with the Chief Minister that he's been invited for, one thing that the Chief Minister said, which was quite clear, was that both of them got a call from the High Command and were asked to meet and talk things out amongst themselves. Now, Pratibha, for anyone, of course, who's been reporting from the state of Karnataka, one would tell you that the politics in the state isn't as simple as two of the senior-most leaders of the ruling party just meeting and speaking over their differences. It's been 2.5 years now since Chief Minister Siddaramaiah took charge and has been governing the state. And ever since, of course, that journey began, we've been seeing the manner in which, of course, there have been several obstacles for him along the way, many from within the party's quarters itself. And now, even as you have this crucial breakfast meeting, of course, that's going to be taking place, a big question that still remains is there going to be some sort of resolution that's being found now to this crisis that the Congress is dealing with in the state after this breakfast meeting? Of course, that's still going to be a big question mark. We'll really have to wait and see what comes out of the meeting.
Okay, all right. So what comes out of the meeting will be interesting to see. Sources saying very clearly that the High Command had dialed both the leaders, Siddaramaiah as well as DK Shivkumar. We are told the High Command told very clearly, stop the social media fight and be together, talk to each other. meet for breakfast. After which Siddaramaiah is said to have spoken to DK Shivkumar. They decided on the breakfast meet, and it's 9 o'clock. In about half an hour's time, that meeting is going to begin. The bigger question being, what is going to be happening in that meeting? How was this meeting decided amid the followers of each of the leaders taking digs at each other, the leaders themselves taking pot shots at each other? In fact, the Chief Minister also spoke about this meeting and the High Command's conversation with him and DK Shivkumar. Here's what he said.
ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಅವರು ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ನನಗೂ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ನೀವಿಬ್ರು ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅವನಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕರೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಯಾಕೆಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ನವರು ನನ್ನ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಅವರು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಈಗಲೂ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ನಾಳೆನೂ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ.
So, all right, the political scenario has been abuzz with what could happen next. The BJP has been talking about bringing in a no-trust motion. Now, the BJP taking a dig in this show of unity that is being put up by the Congress party, because the BJP believes that governance is definitely not on the menu. There may be a lot more happening. What's going to happen?